Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you 10 free lessons that you can use to start a blog, or you can start a niche website in any niche of your choice. So not just in the make money online niche, which I'm in, but you can use this training. It's totally free. There's 10 lessons, and these lessons are given to you by an 8-figure earner who's got 17 years experience within this industry. So these are really superb free trainings that you can get access to, and you just click the link in the description and set up a free account. And I'm going to go through these 10 lessons today to show you the superb value that you're going to get. And this is how I got started with my blog, which I'll come to a bit later on in the video. So the platform is called Wealthy Affiliate, and what they teach you is to either start blogging or start a niche website so you can start to make money online. And what you do is when you set up your free account, you log in and you go into the training tab here, and this brings you up lessons 1 to 10. And here's Kyle, he's one of the co-owners, and Carson is his other business partner. So the first lesson, I'm going to go through each of these very briefly just to show you the value you're going to get. The first lesson is getting started, and it just gives you a very quick look at how you'll be creating your success in 4 simple steps. So step 1 is choosing an interest. Step 2, building the website or the blog. Step 3, how to attract visitors to your blog or website. And step 4, how you can earn revenue. And each of these trainings, if I just scroll down here, each of these trainings is very detailed. You've got images, you've got tasks, and you've got an option here. You've got an option of either video learning, which I like, video tutorials, which I like. That one there's 22 minutes long. So you'll see it's really in-depth and very rookie-friendly, very beginner-friendly training. So even if you're brand new online, you haven't made your first dollar, this is a great place for you to get started. Again, more video tutorials, and you've also got the written tutorials as well. And if you come down at the bottom of each tutorial, you've even got helpers and you've even got messages. So you've got the help and support of a community of thousands and thousands of wealthy affiliate members. And a lot of these have got a lot of experience within the blogging and niche website industry. So they're to help you. You get all the help and support you need. It's not just about you being on your own. That's really key for anybody at any level, that's knowing that they've got the health and support. So number 1 is getting rolling. Number 2 lesson is understanding how to make money online. So a great lesson here. Again, more video tutorials, understanding the process of how affiliate marketing works, and going through this here. So that's lesson number 2. Lesson number 3 is choosing your niche. So goes through into detail about what a niche is, and you can choose any niche. We recommend you choose a niche that you're interested in. It could be something that you're passionate about, something you've got an interest in, how to use Amazon and some of the eBay and Etsy, and how to use some of the big brands to earn income from. So that's choosing your niche. Lesson number 4 goes into setting up your website, setting up your blog, setting up your website step by step. Says there, it's not scary, it's fun. Again, video tutorials, written tutorials, everything's there in step 3. Step 4, go into, was that step 4 there? Bear with me, let me just go back up a little bit here. Sorry, step 4 We've gone through step 4, building your website. Step 5 is setting up your website correctly. So going into the dashboard and the back office, using the WordPress platform, and the WordPress platform is the most popular platform online that gets ranked in the search engines, the main search engines there. So that's setting up your website there. Again, video tutorials, how to log in, all the basics, just using the basic fundamentals and the basic functions of your website. Lesson 6, getting ready for the search engines. So this is how you start to automate your online business by getting search engine traffic, your customers looking for information in Google, Bing, and Yahoo, how to get ranked, targeted traffic equals revenue. So just setting up SEO, search engine optimization. So you might think it looks quite in-depth from these images, but it really is just step-by-step tutorials. And the next one is creating your content. So if you're not sure what content you're going to put on your blog or on your website, then they teach you exactly step by step how to create content, your about me. So getting the right content, creating menus. So a little bit more advanced now, navigating around the blog and the website. So you'll see these are really superb free trainings from 8-figure earners. So that one's there. Understanding keywords. If you're not familiar with keywords, it's just really keywords are what your potential customers are going to be typing into a search engine. And when they put those words into a search engine, your blog or your niche website comes up in front of them on the first page of Google, teaching you here how to do it in a 16-minute video, step by step. And this is free traffic. This is free automated traffic. You're not paying for traffic. There's no outgoing costs. This is how to do things for free and get started. So if you're on a tight budget or you're brand new, this really is great for you. And then number 10, if I can just come to the last lesson here, is congratulations on your next steps. So sunny days ahead. You've already accomplished a lot, telling you what to do once you've got everything set up. So the link in the description will take you to this page here. And Wealthy Affiliate gives you all the, have a look at this page here. So there's over 1 million different lucrative niches that you can choose from. So don't be worried if you're a bit unsure of what you're going to actually start out at your website as, if you haven't made your mind up yet. No design skills needed. So you don't have to be a real techie person. Proven strategies. So again, 17 years of experience and thousands of experienced marketers in here to help you. You're probably familiar with a lot of these brands already. We all know Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, YouTube. So revenue sources are unlimited. So that's another part of the program. And again, Wealthy Affiliate itself, 17 years in business. 10,000 new businesses are being built monthly with this platform. So you're in very, very safe hands. We're helping 23,000 people plus daily. You've got all these expert coaches, nearly 2,000 expert coaches. So no matter what country you're in, you can still use this platform. So real people, real feedback, everything you need to succeed, and endless opportunity with zero risk. And you can even earn affiliate commissions by promoting Wealthy Affiliate as a free member. So this is my blog that I just started using this platform. I've set up a very basic WordPress site. I like to keep things nice and simple, not complicate things. I'm using my YouTube channel to leverage my YouTube videos on here as well. You'll see I've done my about page and I've already created 3 posts. And I did all this by following the tutorials. Teaches you how to link out to your offers. So really great tutorials, how to add images, how to add YouTube videos, how to monetize your blog and comments, etc. So this really is, I'm very, very happy with Wealthy Affiliate. And if you want to be an affiliate, then I'm going to give you this free ebook as a thank you for watching this video all the way through today. There'll be a link in the description where you can download it for free, and it's called Instant Traffic Secrets. So if you want to learn how to promote Wealthy Affiliate and earn some monthly recurring commissions by recommending this platform, then the strategies within inside this ebook will help you do that. It's been written by a 7-figure earner, and I use these strategies every single day. And blogging and niche websites are part of the strategies within here, so that's all sort of integrated as well. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. So I'd really appreciate that. That'll help support me on my YouTube journey. And with the YouTube algorithm, that will help other people see this video as well. So thank you for that. And please click subscribe and the bell icon if you'd like to get notified and see more videos from me. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've got nearly 750 videos now on the channel. So there'll be a link in the description where you can go to this page here, and a lot more information on Wealthy Affiliate there. So you can have a look through all these different tabs here along the top. You can set up a free account, and that will take you into the back office. And then if you want to go into the back office there and just totally for free and have a look at these free trainings and the help and support you're going to get from the community. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.